Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video today. It's been hard to get down in the shop. There's a lot going on in life. So I've been doing some stuff down in the shop, but just haven't taken the time to record it. Just too busy. Too busy. Just want to come down here, get something done rather. So not recording. Anyway, I have this great machine base. This was from a piece of automated equipment we made for a company many years ago that I worked at that went out of business, and part of my departure was I got this base. So it's a big steel welded frame with this real big aluminum top on it, which is great. I've had it for years, and as long as I don't have to move it anywhere, it's been great. Moving it's a pain in the butt. It's heavy. Anyway, I use it kind of as a work surface down here, but the problem is I throw a bunch of crap on it because it's a horizontal surface. And then I can't use it as a work surface. The other issue is because it was this machine base, you can probably see, there's all these, machined areas out of it and holes and stuff. The holes aren't that big of a deal, but some of these are pretty large holes that come out of here that, were part of the machine. And it's aluminum, so it does get beat up a little bit. What I'm looking to do, I think I'm going to take a piece of plywood and cut it out so that I can slip it on from this corner, and it'll give me a plywood surface here and through here, through here next to the vise, cut out for the vise, with a wood lip around it, so it'll stop here and here, and I'll poly it or shellac it or something, and that'll be a good solid surface I can work on and beat up on, and not care too much about. So not that I care too much about this top, but with all these holes it's kind of hard to use it just as a work surface. So that's the idea. That's what I'm going to do today, a little bit of woodworking. It's been raining literally for a week, which sucks, and it was even raining this morning. Sun came out about 2 hours ago, and then we're back into the clouds, but I don't think it's going to rain again today. I think we're just going to have clouds, which is fine. So, all right, on to some woodworking. Let's go see if it fits. Well, here it is. Let's see if I can't measure. Let's see. Obstacles there. Alright. Overhang a little here. Oh. Alright, this part of this vise has this stick out that I didn't account for, and it's actually off the surface there. I measured here, but this plywood's a little high. Not going to be much. Maybe we'll take half an inch out of that. We should be alright. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, take two. I'm gonna have to move that stuff. Alright, now we're talking. good. So we clear the vise. I clear this vise. Lots of room. Not a problem. Right up next to the surface plate there. Perfect. Alright. Now I gotta take some wood and go like a 3-inch strip. Go see something like this. These two edges, and that way I can bring it in and it'll have positive stop on there. We'll be good to go. Alright. Keep on going. Alright, I got my stuff, my board here all sanded. I got my 2 pieces cut with miters. I didn't sand these yet, but I'm going to put this together and then finish sanding that. I'm using pocket screws for the first time, although I just drilled them and I see why everybody likes them. Seems pretty awesome. So I put some 1/4-inch material under here so I can space the board up a little, and then when I flip it over I'm going to have a little bit of a like an edge on this piece, and I'm thinking that'll just prevent stuff from rolling off. It may be really annoying, but I don't know. We're going to find out. So just go ahead and fit this up. Too much. Okay. Yeah, I've never used these before, so I hope I did it all right. Let's find out. Felt good. Let's find out. I like it. There you can see one of these pieces right here. 1/4-inch material. I got a couple of pieces under here. Nice thing about this table is I know it's pretty flat. Glue and put that on that miter. Alright, I got them all screwed in there. Had to go grab some glue and forgot to turn the camera back on. Let's keep one out for a second. See? Oh, there's a light. Phone's here. Gotta move this crap over here so this goes in easier. Towel. Okay. Yeah, baby. Not touching anything. Nice. See how good I got that reveal. That's what I thought. It bowed a little bit. This piece of plywood's a little bowed, but it's gonna be fine. Alright. Yeah. Oh, that sticker's there. That's annoying. No big deal. Anyway, I'll go outside and finish sanding this. I'm gonna throw some shellac or poly or something on here and be good to go. Cool. Alright guys, a couple days later. Got some finish on here. Put a couple of coats of spar urethane, just kind of outdoor urethane, not polyurethane. And then I put one layer of shellac over the top of that, and then some finish wax with some quad-aught or 4-aught steel wool. So it's got a nice finish on there. I mean, it's not the hardest finish in the world, but it'll be fine for what I'm doing. And I want to do it kind of quick, so I did, you know, a coat or whatever at night over the last couple of nights. So it's on. Fits really well. One last thing I was thinking of as soon as I put it on here today is I don't want it to kind of move around in case I'm bumping things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take advantage of these holes here. This one here. You see that? Yeah. So I'm going to take advantage of this hole, and I'm essentially going to make a key that's on the bottom side of this, just with another piece of wood, which I did. Is it here? Yeah. So I just took a piece of scrap plywood, cut it to a rectangle to fit in here, you know, pretty tight, and then knocked the corners off so I wouldn't be fighting that. And then sanded it and sanded the edges so it would drop in there. So it'll be coming along. And let's see if I put my hand under there without blocking you. No, it'll come along and it's going to fit in there. And it fits in there pretty tight. There's a little wiggle room. I don't want it too tight. So I'm just going to put this in place. Grab some wood glue, glue this up. ahead and put this on here. It's heavy enough, and we'll let that dry and we'll be done. Alright, catch you guys later.